In a world often divided, there shines a beacon of hope in West Africa. Welcome to Sierra Leone, a nation where faith acts not as a barrier but as a bridge. Here, Islam is not just a religion. It is the heartbeat of the nation and a powerful force for unity. You may be surprised to learn that Islam is the majority faith in Sierra Leone, with an impressive 77% of its population identifying as Muslim. From the bustling streets of Freetown to the tranquil villages, the presence of Islam is undeniable. This is not just a statistic. It is a deep-rooted cultural and historical reality woven into the very fabric of Sierra Leonean society. Most Sierra Leoneans are Sunni Muslims, primarily following the Maliki school of thought, which has a rich history in the region. The story of Islam in Sierra Leone began centuries ago with enterprising Muslim merchants from the Mali Empire who introduced not only goods, but also their faith, knowledge of Arabic, and Islamic practices. This early presence ignited a powerful spread, influencing various aspects of daily life and governance. You can see Islam's influence in the architecture, the vibrant celebrations of Eid, and the strong emphasis on community and charity. This reflects Islam's adaptable nature and its integration with local traditions, resulting in a unique Sierra Leonean Islamic identity. What truly sets Sierra Leone apart and makes it a global example is its remarkable religious tolerance. Here, Muslims and Christians do not merely coexist, they actively thrive together. It is common to find families with members of both faiths celebrating each other's holidays, supporting one another, and collaborating on community initiatives. This harmony is no coincidence. It is deeply ingrained in the culture and fostered by organizations like the Interreligious Council of Sierra Leone, which serves as a strong beacon of unity. They demonstrate to the world that differences in faith do not have to lead to division. Instead, they can create a stronger and more resilient society. Sierra Leone has faced its share of challenges, including a devastating civil war. However, even during those dark times, faith remained a source of strength, and the spirit of interfaith understanding endured. Today, Islam continues to flourish, with Islamic organizations and dedicated leaders playing a vital role in guiding the faithful, promoting education, and strengthening community bonds. The commitment to Quranic education runs deep, ensuring that the faith continues to inspire new generations. Sierra Leone stands as a living testament to the power of faith and the beauty of religious harmony. It is a country where Islam is not only practiced, but celebrated in a way that enriches the entire nation. Sierra Leone's economy is gradually recovering from the impacts of a civil war, 1991 to 2002, and the Ebola crisis, 2014 to 2016. It is rich in natural resources, notably diamonds. The country is a major producer of gem-quality diamonds, though their exploitation has a complex history, including the issue of blood diamonds that financed the civil war. gold, bauxite, rutile, a titanium or iron. Agriculture is the largest employer, with rice being the most important staple crop. Despite its resource wealth, Sierra Leone faces significant economic challenges, including poverty and the need for infrastructure development and economic diversification. Tourism, with its pristine beaches and natural attractions, holds considerable growth potential. Prominent Islamic organizations and leaders. Sierra Leone has a lively Islamic community. It has many important organizations and leaders. The Sierra Leone Islamic Supreme Council is the top Islamic body. It includes the nation's respected imams, scholars, and clerics. The United Council of Imams is another key group. It gathers all the imams from mosques across Sierra Leone. These leaders guide Muslims and spread Islam's teachings. Some of the most known well-known Muslim scholars and preachers are Sheikh Abu Bakr Kotko Kamara, Sheikh Muhammad Toha Jallo, Sheikh Umar S. Konu, Sheikh Ahmed Tijan Silla, Sheikh Saidu Rahman, Sheikh Muhammad Habib Sharif. Sheikh Ahmed Tijan Silla is a big name. He's been the chief imam of the Freetown Central Mosque since 1985. He's also been the United Nations Goodwill Ambassador since 2000. He has a master's in Islamic Studies from Qum, Iran, and worked as an Islamist cultural advisor at the Iranian Embassy in Sierra Leone. Sierra Leone is a secular state with Islam and Christianity as the dominant religions. The government does not establish a state religion, yet prayers from both faiths are often included at major political events, such as presidential inaugurations. As of 2020, approximately 78.5% of the population are Muslims, mostly Sunni, 20.4% are Christians, primarily Protestants, and 1.1% follow traditional African religions. The Mende and Temne ethnic groups are predominantly Muslim. Sierra Leone is noted for its religious tolerance, as Muslims and Christians have coexisted peacefully, even during the Civil War, when religion was not a basis for targeting individuals. Both Islamic holidays, such as Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha, as well as Christian holidays like Christmas and Easter, are recognized as national holidays. In political elections, many Sierra Leoneans choose candidates based on their qualifications rather than their faith. All heads of state have been Christians except for Ahmed Tijan Kaba, who was Muslim. Most Muslims in Sierra Leone follow Sunni Islam, predominantly adhering to the Maliki school of jurisprudence. The Sierra Leone Islamic Supreme Council oversees the Muslim community and includes prominent leaders like Sheikh Muhammad Toha Jallo. The majority of Christians in Sierra Leone are Protestant, with significant groups including Wesleyan Methodists and Pentecostals. The Council of Churches represents these Protestant denominations. There are also considerable communities of non-denominational Christians and Catholics, along with smaller groups such as Jehovah's Witnesses and members of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. Additionally, an Orthodox Christian community can be found in the capital, Freetown.